we start the car up, this whole screen intermittently doesn't work, and that's the speedometer, odometer. Tells you when you're in drive. It's an important little piece. So we're going to switch that out. It's going to involve removing the whole dash. It's pretty time consuming and kind of a little difficult, actually, to tell you the truth. So let's pull this piece out and replace it with a junkyard part. So I'm going to pull the 12-volt battery off because I'm going to pull so much stuff out of the way to get to here. Glove box comes out.
Power button.
Here's our guy, this piece. Just got a few screws. We'll be careful with these because this thing is delicate. I mean, you know, it's a part of the instrument cluster, so it is the instrument cluster. Okay, this isn't the first one of these I've replaced. Now, the mileage of the car is going to change, but we're going to affix a sticker in the door jamb to, you know, properly document that we changed this and that the, you know, at this date the mileage went from what it was with this odometer to the new one. Okay, and because, you know, this is going to change the mileage, the junkyard wrote 119K, which is what the junkyard car had on it, so that's what this car is going to show.
Lined up nicely.
We're not together yet, but I don't want to waste time going too far and find a major problem. So I'm going to connect the battery in back and fire the car up and look at this and make sure this display works. All right, moment of truth, as we say. All right. 119,000 miles, display works. Good. All right, I'm gonna shut it down, disconnect the battery, and finish my assembly. I've worked on a bunch of Priuses where there was no damn oil in the thing, and you know, what I was doing had nothing to do with oil, but I'm gonna check it anyways. All right, it's got oil and coolant.